Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be building a gate for a customer in the city, and they don't need anything fancy, so I thought I would try and build a cheap gate, or the cheapest gate I could build. And the timber I'm using will be what we call a C16 here in the UK. And I mean, I've used this to build my entire workshop for an 8 foot or a 2.4 meter length. It costs about £3.50 here in the UK, or £3.45, which is probably close to about $4 US dollars. So if you want to see me build this cheap gate out of cheap pine, stick around. Oh, my neighbour John next door, he just gave me this belts, and I was thinking about getting one, but I couldn't justify it at the moment. But yeah, looks alright, eh? But I'm not sure if you can get belts for it, so I'm gonna have a look for the belts and see what I can get. But yeah, bloody weighs a ton. That is still warm. Lovely. Eat butter, folks. It's better than margarine. I know it's hard work, but you'll get used to it, I promise. Oh, we got little seeds in there today. The other day we had olives. Delicious. I think that's the closest I'm going to get to a piece of cake. Oh, sugarless tea, sourdough bread. My wife's on a health kick and a diet. They're always on diets, aren't they? But yeah, she makes this delicious sourdough bread. It's nice and warm too. So we're not allowed to have donuts or sweets around the house anymore. I'm presuming she doesn't mean I can't have some when I'm out on the road, if you know what I mean. But yeah, honey on sourdough toast with butter. I love it. It's good to eat healthy once in a while. So this is the finished gate, and well, it looks like a door to be honest, but it was always going to look pretty ordinary. That was the idea, and I put a bit of this black ducks back on it, which will protect it. I also put some treatment on before this, so it's got 2 layers of treatment, and I'll give it another coat. But I'm pretty happy with the outcome. I mean, it's £40 or $50 of wood. What I wanted to do was I was hoping to glue the whole thing up, but in reality, my glue is water resistant. It's not waterproof. It was obviously going to delaminate eventually. What I had to do then was obviously put in screws in the bracing, which is a normal practice in gates. I'm going to have hinges on the side, on this side, so obviously the bracing goes that way to stop it, because you're going to have dead weight on that side, so obviously that's going to keep it propped up. That's the idea behind the bracing. I'm going to give it one more coat, and then I think that'll be enough. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.